Hello everyone, I trust all are doing wonderfully well. Today we will continue with discussions of various chemicals used in cleaning a swimming pool. Chlorine. As per international standards, the allowable levels of free chlorine is from 1 ppm to 3 ppm, and this can be checked with the test kit provided to you in our system. The recommended dosage of chlorine is as follows. Use of chlorine in the form of trichloroisocyanuric acid at a normal concentration of 90%. Chlorine, being an oxidizing agent, is used to destroy all bacteria and other organic materials. The quantity of trichloroisocyanuric to be used daily will depend on quantity of water, number of people using the pool, pH of water, surrounding temperature, airflow velocity, and dust clouding. It is not possible to exactly estimate how much chlorine shall be required for a particular pool. However, it is possible to check the free chlorine available in the pool water. It should be noted that the chlorine granules should not be directly thrown into the pool in any form, but what you need to do is make a solution of the granules in a bucket. Allow the powder to settle, if any. Decant the clear liquid, sieve through a fine cloth, and then use it through the skimmer provided in the pool. You can also use the balancing tank. Note: any powder, granules into the pool will irritate skin, eyes and nose. So make sure that the powder is never added to the pool water directly. Monthly requirement 5 kg. Mostly calculated for 2 grams per 1000 liters per day. Value mentioned are approximate. Sufficient quantity should be kept in stock for emergency. In our next session we will discuss about the next chemical, that is alum. Thanks and keep fit.